Top 20 Tesla Model 3 accessories. The Tesla Model 3 is making a big splash in the car world. It was the best-selling luxury car in the US due to the Model 3's popularity and, to be honest, that of other Tesla cars as well. Dozens of aftermarket companies have made all kinds of custom parts for it. These allow the owner to improve some parts of the car, add features they wish the car came with from the factory, and give their new ride a personal touch. In today's video, we're going to show you the top 20 Tesla Model 3 accessories that you must have. Welcome to TechLife. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Number 20. Glove Box Organizer. Almost every person who owns a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y puts important papers and small items in the glove box. When this important storage space is set up in a way that makes it easy to find and get to important things, it becomes much more useful. Number 19. Glass Roof Sunshades. The Model 3 glass roof sunshade reduces the amount of heat that gets into the cabin by blocking 99% of solar thermal load with two sunshades. Don't let the sun's rays hurt your passengers or the inside of your Tesla Model 3. Clips are used to attach the sunshade to the inside of the glass roof, making it easy to remove. Number 18. Performance Pedal Set. The brake and accelerator pedals on the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y are important, but they often get lost in the space under the dashboard. Every Tesla performance car comes with brake and gas pedals that stand out. They are made of brushed aluminum with black rubber strips that make them easy to use and don't slip. Number 17. All-weather floor mats. All-weather floor mats are rubber floor mats that look nice, can be cut to fit, and are easy to clean. Sand, mud, snow, and dirt are caught in wells that are cut into your Model 3 floors to protect them. All-weather floor mats look great and last for a long time. They stay flexible even when it's hot or very cold. All-weather floor mats have been made just for Model 3 and can be used on all the car's floors. Number 16. Screen protectors. The screen in the middle of the Model 3 and Model Y is very important. But Tesla owners usually know that after a while, the screen can get dirty with fingerprints, smudges, and scratches, and can be hard to see in bright light. Screen protectors are made to fit the Model 3 and Model Y perfectly. Each screen protector is made of 2 layers of high-quality PET film and does a great job of protecting your screen from scratches and UV light. Number 15. Silicone wiper blades. Every Tesla Model 3 owner has been caught in a rainstorm with less than perfect windshield wipers at some point. You can't see as well when you have to look through streaks and splashes. The silicone wiper blades for the Tesla Model 3 are made so that you can drive with a clear windshield even if it's raining hard or just a little bit. Number 14. Frunk lift hood supports. The Tesla Model 3 frunk is perfect for small items, and the Tesla app can open it remotely. The trunk lid only cracks open. If your hands are full, you must juggle bags to open the frunk hood. Frunk lift replaces the existing Model 3 frunk lift supports in less than 10 minutes with new supports that open the frunk smoothly when you use your app. Put your belongings in the trunk, close the hood, and go. Number 13. Trunk lift trunk support. The Tesla Model 3 trunk can store large and small items, and the Tesla app can open it remotely. The trunk hatch cracks open. If your hands are full, you must juggle bags to open the trunk hatch. Trunk lift replaces the Model 3 OEM trunk lift supports with upgraded supports and springs that automatically open the trunk when you use your app. Number 12. Performance Claypier Covers. But they also serve a purpose by cutting down on brake dust and letting heat escape. Performance Claypier covers are made of lightweight aluminum and cover the claypier for the best fit. The Performance Claypier covers are then power-coated in red or yellow for a beautiful, long-lasting look. Number 11. Vinyl Headlight Accent Kit. The sleek wraparound headlights on the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y make the front of these cars stand out. Still, some Tesla owners want to make their cars stand out even more. This vinyl piece lets you make a small change to the shape of your headlights by changing how the light from your daytime running lights shine. Before we keep going with the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to see more videos like this. Number 10. Air Intake Cover. The air filter on the Tesla Model 3 2021 Plus can stop leaves, dust, and other debris from getting into the air intake, and the air conditioning system can keep the air inside the car clean and cool by avoiding anti-lock. The filter cover is the first line of defense against dirt and dust getting into the car. The filter cover is made of high-quality ABS, which makes it strong, long-lasting, and resistant to heat, so that it can work in the car for a long time. Number 9. Foldable table tray. The foldable table tray was made for all Tesla Model 3 and Y, but it could also be used in other EVs. Great for a quick lunch on the go or a place to work on a laptop or a device. Easy to store because it can be folded up. Work on driver or passenger side. Number 8. EV01 Plus wheels. The EV01 Plus wheels for Tesla Model 3 are made from a flow-forming process that makes them light and smooth. They were made for all Model 3 trims in particular. Each set of wheels come with inserts that can be taken out and replaced. These inserts are designed to improve performance in all ways, giving you the most range and efficiency when you put them in. Number 7. Long-range performance sport spring. The suspension is one of the most important parts of a car's ability to be driven every day. The first step in tuning your car's suspension is to change the springs that came with it. Sport springs are designed and built for each application to lower the vehicle's center of gravity and reduce body roll. The spring rate of these progressive springs is just right for a low, aggressive look and better performance handling. Number 6. Carbon door trim. The door panels on Tesla Model 3 do their job, but some owners want a richer, more personalized look. Carbon door trim is an upgrade for your OEM door panels that give them the look and feel of real carbon fiber, which is used in some of the fastest cars in the world. This gives your Model 3 a beautiful high-end look. Number 5. Custom front fascia. Custom front fascia for Tesla Model 3 is a replacement front fascia for RWD, AWD, and Performance Model 3 trims. Each custom front fascia package comes with a front bumper cover that goes all the way under the panel and all the necessary hardware to make installation easy. No extra parts are needed. The custom front fascia is made to fit all the autopilot and parking sensors on the Model 3. Number 4. Interior ambient light. The interior ambient light was developed especially for all Tesla Model 3 and Y vehicles that come equipped with the original center console. Using the interior ambient light kit, you can give your Tesla an even cozier feel. Ambient lights come equipped with the ability to be controlled via the app, making it simple to adjust the color, brightness, and music mode. Number 3. Armrest storage organizer. The space under the armrest of the center console is a good place to keep things you might need on your trip. The armrest storage organizer helps keep small things under the armrest more organized. It replaces the OEM tray, which is shallow, with one that is deeper and has more compartments. This makes it easier to find and use small items like credit or ID cards or any other small things. Number 2. Mini LED hub bar. Made for Tesla Model Y and Model 3 with 2 USB-C ports at the center console, gives you light and makes it easier to find things when it's dark. All Type-C and USB ports can send and receive data and power to charge your music player, boombox, game controller, or other USB device. Power from a single USB-C port is automatically shared among all connected devices. Number 1. Jack pads. These pads were designed for use with all Tesla models and are compatible with all of them. When you start to raise your vehicle, the centering cylinders that are contained within each pad will provide you with precise placement. The battery, the lower body of your vehicle, and the paint job are all protected by jack pads. Okay folks, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos from us.